start problem with my Patriot where when you turn the key, it doesn't start, it doesn't do nothing. So I was doing some research, and when I pulled the wheel off, I found these wires. It was another wire connected. I pulled it off. I don't know what I did with it. Oh, right here. This thin little wire was connected. It was all corroded, but it wasn't connected. Actually, it was connected here, and it wasn't connected. Oh, I'm sorry. It was connected here, but it wasn't connected up here. And this is the wire that goes into a fuse box. I was able to reach this by just popping the hood and reaching down right there and pulling the cap off. But the thing was, all the relays were good, so I said, let me just check the wires going to it, because I read that these wires also get bad, and I found the corrosion and everything. So I used this wire. It's a little bit of a thicker gauge. I just connected it just for test sake, and I gave it a start, and the Jeep started right up. So pretty much, if you're having a, sorry for the smoke because I'm talking and it's cold outside and it's wet, so I'm guessing it got wet and got corroded, and the wire, these are the wires going into that box. So right now I'm just gonna connect it and use some electrical tape, and tomorrow I gotta go and get some heat shrink and finish it up. But as long as it starts and it can get to work tomorrow, I'm good to go with that. I'm just gonna secure it the best way that I can, and I gotta probably might throw some plastic around it to keep it dry. But yeah, if you're having a no start, no drive issue, I mean no start, no crank, no nothing, you just got power and you turning it over and it's just ticking, take the wheel off, take the wheel well liner off, and check the wires down here. So yeah, I took the whole wheel well liner off. It's a couple of these plastic things right here, and it's a bunch of little screws. What did I do with them? It's dark out, so I can't see them. So, oh, it's 3 of these. I think these are like a 6, maybe a 6 millimeter. I don't know. I just used this to twist it a little bit, because I don't feel like digging through my tools from the sockets. But yeah, so I'm gonna button this up and get the well liner on, and pretty much I figured it out. Some people had corrosion coming from the relays, but the wires going to the relay was my problem. Whoever had the car before me did a crappy connection. So like I said, tomorrow I'm gonna go get some heat shrink from AutoZone and button it up, and it's good to go. It starts now. My remote start work, everything. It's great. So thank you guys for watching. I hope I helped you guys. Please hit that subscribe button. Like, share if you know somebody that has the same problem. Share the link, refer them to the video. They'll have an idea of where to start. Alright guys, take care.